Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Echelon bike to the Echelon Fit app. First, make sure your Echelon bike is plugged in and powered on. You'll want to see the display light up. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the Echelon Fit app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's get your bike paired. Inside the Echelon Fit app, look for a section typically labeled Connect Device or Equipment. Tap on that, and the app will begin searching for nearby Echelon products. You should see your specific Echelon bike model appear in the list. Select it, and the app will guide you through confirming the connection. This usually takes just a few seconds to establish a stable link. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your bike isn't connecting, first, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone or tablet. A quick restart of both your Echelon bike and your mobile device can often resolve minor glitches. Also, make sure your Echelon Fit app is fully updated to the newest version. Finally, try moving your device within a few feet of your bike to ensure a strong Bluetooth signal for pairing. Once successfully connected, you're ready to ride. The Echelon Fit app unlocks a world of fitness. You can now access hundreds of live and on-demand classes led by expert instructors. The app will automatically track your workout metrics, like your distance covered, calories burned, and resistance levels. Don't forget to customize your profile and set some personal fitness goals to keep yourself motivated on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.